Hello and a very warm welcome to all the viewers of 3.0 TV. This is Manoj Dara. And this is your weekly show updating you everything you need to know what's happening in the week gone by in the world of Web3. The week began on an optimistic note with investors focusing on Nvidia, the most important stock on the planet. The California headquartered company was ready to take the global markets, including cryptocurrencies, after reporting blockbuster earnings. The chipmaker added over $277 billion to its market cap, which left the financial markets optimistic. And there was a little surprise: the company's blistering performance placed equities on a different stratosphere. The numbers also stirred up activity among the AI-based tokens. As we know, Nvidia is a giant chip maker and hence grabbed a lot of attention as it gives insight to the prospects of the AI sector. Here is a quick review on Nvidia.
Hello viewers. It is Nvidia, the most important stock on Earth, that captured the imagination of investors cutting across several asset classes. The California-based company's blockbuster fourth quarter showings triggered a buzz around the artificial intelligence tokens like Singularity Net, Fetch AI's Renders, etc. Singularity Net gained more than 20%, Fetch AI soared 10%, Render rallied 8%. The overall market cap of AI tokens surpassed $16.5 billion. The giant chip maker's fourth quarter earnings per share were $5.16, beating the average analyst estimate of $4.59 per share. It posted revenue of $22.1 billion, bettering the Wall Street's expectation of $20.4 billion further. Nvidia forecast first quarter 2024 revenue of $24 billion, which also exceeds analysts' estimate of $22.2 billion. For crypto investors, Nvidia's showing gains importance. AI tokens' future prospects are closely linked with the company's future prospects. The company's growth depends on the mass penetration of generative AI technology. This fact was underlined by Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang, who remarked that the company's sales and revenue received a boost from surging global demand for generative AI.
What's going to happen is this: the world's enterprise software platforms represent approximately $1 trillion. That $1 trillion represent world's platforms like ServiceNow. It represents data platforms like Snowflake, Dropbox, Box, SAP, Oracle. These application-oriented, tools-oriented platforms and data-oriented platforms are all going to be revolutionized with these AI agents that sit on top of it. And the way to think about that is very simple. Whereas these platforms used to be tools that experts would learn to use, in the future, these tools companies will also offer AI agents that you can hire to help you use these tools or to help you reduce the barrier of using these tools.
As we know, the AI tokens are cryptocurrencies that power AI-related projects, such as AI-powered portfolio management, image generation, pathfinding, and more. Any optimism around AI technology naturally drives the prices of AI token higher. Interestingly, the AI tokens hit their highest weekly trade volume in a year after OpenAI announced its text-to-video tool, Sora, on February 15th.
Our troupe of reporters are standing by to give you updates about the Web3 verticals. Hello everyone. The VDA space is seeing a lot of optimism since the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs last month. Whether this momentum gained over the period is still continuing or not, let's understand from my colleague, Mr. Shubham Joshi. Shubham, over to you.
Thank you, Manoj. Japan, the land of rising sun, is struggling to cope up with the mounting economic pressure and the decade-old ultra-loose monetary policy, which has just not hampered its growth but resulted in the country losing its coveted position of world's third biggest economy to Germany. Well, among several measures, the country has opted to reboot the economy. The authorities recently relaxed certain rules for venture capital investment firms exploring investment options in the Web3 companies. The cabinet has agreed to add crypto assets to the list of assets that limited partnership funds can acquire and hold. Well, now let's go back to the markets. This week, the crypto markets witnessed record-breaking inflows via ETPs to the tune of $2.45 billion during the week ending February 16. Well, the AUM for cryptocurrency investment product currently stands at $67 billion, marking the highest level since December 2021, CoinSearch research head James Butterfield said in a note. Well, now talking about Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, has outpaced Bitcoin's rally in terms of percentage gains, adding 6.7% in the last 7 trading sessions versus Bitcoin fall of 2%. Well, interestingly, an Ethereum whale accumulated 87,820 Ethereum worth around $252 million in the last 4 days. Well, separately, Binance's native token BNB experienced a significant increase of more than 6%, led by a surge in user trading activity because of the positive crypto market registering a surge in volume by 80% to $2.54 billion. That's huge, isn't it?
Now hear from our guest Mr. Upinder Preet Singh, who is giving us the future and outlook on the VDA space. Let's listen.
Multiple initiatives are happening across the board. I would say this way that we have reached a point where now a lot of different solutions technical solutions are emerging. On one side, smart contracts are getting built on Bitcoin, the way ICOs started on Ethereum, right? Now, similarly, fundraisings are happening on other smart contracts based blockchains also, even on Bitcoin, even on overall. The way we are moving to forward, the mass adoption is going to happen for sure, because ultimately blockchain is eating the world. Everything is getting inside the blockchain. Every other sector in the world is now adopting or using, or maybe intending to use blockchain as a core technology.
Today, the spotlight shines on Mumbai's Megapolis Metaverse project, a groundbreaking venture poised to reshape the digital landscape. As investors flock to capitalize on the virtual frontier, the project's launch promises to be a bellwether event, potentially sparking a wave of interest and investments. And over to Vishaka to understand more about it.
There's no shortage of excitement in the bustling metaverse sector. First on my list is Mumbai's Megapolis Metaverse project, an exciting initiative that's taking virtual exploration to the next level. Developed by the Government of Maharashtra and Tech Association of Entrepreneurs Mumbai, this innovative platform offers users a captivating glimpse into the future of Mumbai's urban landscape, offering users a glimpse into the future of the city, where the project also showcases ongoing infrastructure developments within the city, which includes 12 infrastructure projects such as Mumbai Coastal Road, Mumbai Trans Harbour Link and Navi Mumbai International Airport. Well, next on my list is Sandbox, which has been at the forefront of the digital revolution by signing 2 groundbreaking partnerships. Sandbox launched its much-anticipated Love and Music Festival, a spectacular celebration of romance and rhythm set against the backdrop of a virtual world. This festival invites users to immerse themselves in a symphony of love and music, featuring legends such as Elvis Presley and contemporary sensations such as Steve Aoki. In a separate development, Drug Holding and Investments, in collaboration with Smobler and Sandbox, launched Bhutanverse, a digital portal to Bhutan's cultural heritage. Talking about major metaverse tokens such as Mana, Sand and AXS, recent activity remains subdued, but industry analysts remain hopeful about the sector's future.
We also have Mr. Sunil David, digital technology consultant, joining us to share his insights on the important accessibility in the virtual world and how the Decentraland is leading the charge in making digital worlds more accessible.
Decentraland have very recently announced a big initiative to enhance accessibility and also provide better immersive experience onto the platform. To be able to do this, you need very good quality AR, VR and MR headsets. And so when you combine low latency, high-speed networks along with AR, MR headsets, the whole quality of experience for the user is really going to be very, very good. And when you add AI into the mix, where you're going to deal with humongous amount of data and you're going to harness the power of the AI technology to provide personalized recommendations to their customers, especially using AI-powered chatbots, the experience for the customer is taken to a new level. I'm really excited about the times ahead.
From Web3 to the gaming, the Web3 gaming sector is igniting a frenzy among the investors as decentralized applications redefine the gaming experience. With major players entering the space and innovative projects gaining traction, the gaming industry stands at the precipice of the transformative shift. Shikha, what's going on?
Alright, so a Moonbeam Network, a platform for cross-chain applications, has partnered with blockchain game developer Animo Industries to expand its presence in crypto gaming. The company intends to launch its Stars Arena game first on the Epic Games Store, followed by Steam, while also developing a blockchain-enabled version for $37.45 billion gaming giant PlayStation and $65.55 billion gaming colossal Nintendo Switch. Huge, isn't it? Gaming sector is also flushed with funds and partnerships. One of them is Tap Nation. The game developer of prominent Parking Jam, Doll Dress Up and many more have partnered with multinational tech metaverse infrastructure and application provider Improbable. In a separate deal, Tap Nation's strategic alliance with Improbable will see the French publisher leveraging Improbable's scaling solutions for games that offer EVM compatibility, low cost, massive scale, and Ethereum security. Moving on, Human Institute, a co-initiative by Yatsu-led Animoca Brands and Sandeep Nailwal's Polygon have launched Humanity Protocol, a privacy-preserving biometric palm recognition technology for Web3 identity verification. The project aims to provide a less invasive alternative to biometric methods like iris scans, thereby ensuring a secure identity verification process. While a lot of gamers think that the Web3 gaming space is still at infancy, market participants believe that Web3 gaming can be a major catalyst in the next bull run. Let's listen in from one such analyst and expert, Mr. Abhishek Sagar, CEO and founder of Zuraverse.
And 2024 is going to be the year for Web3 gaming. Why? Because we are seeing so many investments flowing in. Yesterday itself, HackVC closed its round of $150 million for early stage startups in Web3 and AI. Not just this, but we are seeing great volumes coming up in the games as well. So one of the Web3 popular games called Gas Hero reached the NFT trading volume of $90 million. Can you imagine that? So these developments show that there has been great adoption coming up, and this is just the starting. There's so many projects building so much.
From the gaming sector to the NFT markets, which has witnessed unprecedented momentum with digital assets commanding attention akin to the blue chip stocks, buyers and sellers engage in a frenzy of bidding wars, driving prices to astronomical heights. Speculators eye the next big trend, while collectors assess the value proposition or the digital rarity. As the market evolves, will NFTs continue their meteoric rise? Let's understand from Ruchi Sharma.
In a recent development, a complete set of 10 autoglyphs has been acquired for 5,000 Ether, equivalent to approximately $14.6 million. This sale marks the highest NFT sale in the past 2 years and stands as the 5th largest purchase on-chain, setting a new benchmark for the value of blockchain-based artworks. With the rise in Ethereum prices, there has been an upsurge in NFT activity and trading volume. Ethereum has surged over 16% in the last week to trade back above $2,900 level, its highest since March 2021, as fundamental indicators point to the second largest crypto likely sustaining its outperformance versus the market leader Bitcoin. Reaching market capitalization of $332.48 billion, Ether has maintained tremendous growth levels since the Shapela upgrade. The market performance of Ethereum is currently at 64% greed, with substantial institutional demand, increased inflows to ETH, ETFs, and positive sentiment around Bitcoin halving. This is reflected in the stats of Ether for the month of Feb. The recent upswing in the values of Bitcoin and Ethereum has led to a significant boost in various NFT markets. Notable collections on Ethereum and Solana are experiencing a surge in value and interest. Pudgy Penguins, an Ethereum-based collection, has seen a 77% increase in its USD floor price over the past week, while trading volume has escalated by 397%. This surge indicates a strong recovery and growing investor confidence in NFTs linked to these blockchain networks. Our guest, Mr. Dhrupad Das, co-founder Colors of India, has highlighted the correlation between Ethereum prices and NFT market. Let's listen in.
Ethereum prices are on the move, and this always shakes things up for the NFT market. Now here's why. When Ethereum becomes more valuable, it draws more investors looking to get into the NFT marketplace, usually taking profits from the Ethereum holdings. And this always boosts demand. As for those who are creators of NFTs or just selling NFTs that they have bought from somebody else, they might start pricing their NFTs at a higher price to match the Ethereum's new value or the increased value.
If you think that blockchain technology just revolves around cryptocurrencies, then you are wrong. From supply chain management to digital identification and verification, blockchain's versatility is reshaping industries. Smart contracts streamline transactions, while decentralized finance platforms democratize access to the financial services. Now let's get over to Roshni on what's more important and recent news on the advancement in the blockchain technology.
Well, in the world of luxury collectibles, selling high-end items for cash can be a real headache. But fear not, because a Polygon-based lending platform is stepping into making things easier. By digitizing collectibles and using blockchain, collectors can now access crypto liquidity without the hassle of auctions or dealers' negotiations. Meanwhile, in the sports arena, Avalanche is teaming up with Sports Illustrated Tickets to revolutionize ticketing. Their blockchain-based ticketing service Box Office offers exclusive NFT videos and loyalty perks, making it a hit with fans. Now imagine owning a rare sports memorabilia NFT from Box Office and using it as a collateral for a loan on the Polygon lending platform. It's a seamless fusion of luxury and sports, all powered by blockchain innovation. With these advancements, the worlds of high-end collectibles and sports are closer than ever, offering enthusiasts new opportunities and experiences. So we also have Mr. Ghan Vashisht, co-founder and CTO at Zeev.
And if we see, in general, bringing off-chain assets on-chain, meaning creating a digital twin, creating new assets that are purely on-chain, is a prime opportunity blockchain provides. By digitizing physical assets like real estate, gold, artwork onto the blockchain, we secure a tamper-proof record of ownership and simplify buying, selling, and transferring assets by cutting through bureaucracy with traceable records. Introducing smart contracts into the mix automates transactions and enforces agreement with accuracy and speed, eliminating the middlemen in the processes such as property sales or art acquisitions. This enhances the transparency and efficiency of transactions, making them more secure and trustworthy.
Hope we have got you covered. Before concluding the show, let's have a quick look at the top news in the field of artificial intelligence, which continues to revolutionize industries, resembling a bull market with no signs of slowing down. From predictive artificial intelligence to autonomous vehicles, AI's impact spans far and wide, driving efficiencies and innovation. As companies race to integrate AI into their operations, investors keenly eye the market for emerging opportunities. We leave you with the latest developments and disruptive trends shaping the AI landscape.
A consortium backed by Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries Ltd. and India's top engineering schools aims to launch its first ChatGPT-style service in March 2024. The Bharat GPT group developed the model named Hanuman, which will work via 11 local languages in healthcare, governance, financial services, and education. Reliance Jio will build customized models for specific uses. Bengaluru Metro is set to use artificial intelligence to monitor tracks on the Yellow Line, which connects RV Road to Electronic City. The system is expected to be operational by September 2024. The monitoring primarily relies on a camera-based system, where images of the track are transmitted to a server. In case of a severe problem, an alert is directly sent to the operation control centers via the train control and management system.